Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add a GIF to your Instagram story. So if you want to add a moving picture called GIF to your Instagram story in 2025, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Next, go ahead and tap on your profile page and then tap on the plus sign or tap on your profile picture to post an Instagram story. Choose story at the bottom. Go ahead and take a picture. Next, you want to go ahead and use a sticker icon. And here you want to go ahead and find GIF. Now you want to go ahead and find a GIF which you want to add to this Instagram story. So let's go ahead and add this. So here I've got this GIF which I want to add. You can go ahead and enlarge it, resize it, and place it wherever you like on the story. To remove it, you can go ahead and hold it and drag it to the trash, and that'll remove it. And once you're happy, you can go ahead and post this to your Instagram story. So there you go, guys. That is how to add a GIF to your Instagram story in 2025. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.